Heart, the most important organ of our body, is responsible for pumping out our blood. When it doesn't get the care it needs, serious health issues may develop. Hence, it is necessary to take appropriate measures before it's too late. The first tip is to eat more fiber. Aim for at least 30 grams of fiber from variety of sources like whole meal breads, cereals, fruits and vegetables, bran and oats. This will aid in good functioning of heart. The second tip is to get 5 daily. That is, eat at least 5 portions of variety of fruits and vegetables in a day. A simple tip is to add your fruits to daily cereals and your vegetables to pasta sauces and curries to increase your serving amount. The third tip is to eat fish twice in a week. Fish like sardines, salmons are rich in oil, that is essential fats, which aids in good functioning of hearts. To note, pregnant women and breastfeeding women should not have more than 2 portions of oily fish in a week. The fourth tip is to have dark chocolates. The dark chocolates contains flavonoids which reduces the inflammations and lowers the risk of your heart disease. Certain lifestyle modifications like quitting smoking, cutting down of alcohol and reducing the amount of salt in cooking also aids in effective functioning of your heart. Implement these simple tips in your daily routine life to keep your heart healthy for a longer period of time. Thank you for watching this video.